Harvard University, University Cambridge, Massachusetts, United States. Harvard University, oldest institution of higher learning in the United States, founded 1636 and one of the nation's most prestigious. It is one of the Ivy League schools. The main university campus lies along the Carlisle River in Cambridge, Massachusetts, a few miles west of downtown Boston. Harvard total enrollment is about 23,000. Harvard history began when a college was established at Newton, which was later renamed Cambridge for the English alma mater of some of the leading colonists. Classes began in the summer of 1638 with one master in a single frame house and a college yard. Harvard was named for a Puritan minister, John Harvard, who left the college his book and half of his estate. At its inception, Harvard was under church sponsorship, although it was not formally affiliated with any religious body. During its first 2 centuries, the college was gradually liberated, first from cleric and later from political control, until 1865. The university alumni began electing members of the governing board. During his long tenure as Harvard president, 1869 until 1909, Charles W. Eliot made Harvard into an institution with national influence. The alumni and faculty of Harvard have been closely associated with many areas of American intellectual and political development. By the end of the first decade of the 21st century, Harvard had educated 7 U.S. presidents: John Adams, John Quincy Adams, Rutherford B. Hayes, Theodore Roosevelt, Franklin D. Roosevelt, John F. Kennedy, and Barack Obama, and a number of judges, cabinet officers, and congressional leaders. Literary figures among Harvard graduates include Ralph Waldo Emerson, Oliver Wendell Holmes, Henry David Thoreau, James Russell Lowell, Henry James, Henry Adam, T.S. Eliot, John Dos Passos, A.E. Cummings, Walter Lippmann, and Norman Mailer. Other notable intellectual figures who graduated from or taught at Harvard include the historians Francis Parkman, W.E.B. Du Bois, and Samuel Eliot Morison. The astronomer Benjamin James introduced the experimental study of psychology into the United States at Harvard 1870. Harvard Undergraduate School. Harvard College contains about 1/3 of the total student body. The core of the university teaching staff consists of the Faculty of Arts and Sciences, which include the Graduate Faculty of Art and Sciences. The university has graduate or professional school of medicine, law, business, divinity, education, government, dental medicine, design, and public health. The school of law, medicine, and business are particularly prestigious. Among the advanced research institutions affiliated with Harvard are the Museum of Comparative Zoology, founded in 1859 by Agassiz, the Gray Herbarium, the Peabody Museum of Archaeology and Ethnology, the Arnold Arboretum, and the Folk Art Museum. Also associated with the university are an astronomical observatory in Harvard, Massachusetts, the Dumbarton Oaks Research Library and Collection in Washington, D.C., a center from Byzantine and pro-Columbian studies, and the Harvard Science Institute in Cambridge for research on East and South Asia. The Harvard University Library is one of the largest and most important university libraries in the world. Radcliffe College, one of the seven sister schools, evolved from informal instruction offered to individual women or small group of women by Harvard University faculty in the 1870. In 1900, a faculty group called of the Harvard Annex made a full course of study available to women, despite resistance to conduction from the university administration. Following unsuccessful effort to have women admitted directly to degree program at Harvard, the Annex, which had imported as the Society for the College Instruction of Women, carved Radcliffe College in 1004. The college was named for the colonial pioneers and Radcliffe, who established the first scholarship fund at Harvard in 1643. Until the 1960, Radcliffe operated as a coordinate college, drawing most of its instructors and other researchers from Harvard. Radcliffe graduates, however, were not granted Harvard degrees until 1963. Diplomas from that time on were signed by the president of both Harvard and Radcliffe. Women undergraduates enrolled at Radcliffe were technically also enrolled at Harvard College, and instruction was constitutional. Although its 1977 agreement with Harvard University called for the integration of select function, Radcliffe College maintained a separate corporate identity for its property and endowment, and continued to offer complementary educational and extracurricular program for both undergraduate and graduate students, including career program, a plabis course, and graduate level workshop and seminar in women's studies. In 1999, Radcliffe and Harvard formally merged, and a new school, the Radcliffe Institute for Advanced Study at Harvard University, was established. The institute focuses on Radcliffe's former field of study and program, and also offer such new ones as non-degree educational program and the study of women, gender, and society.